Hello, I'm Danielle O'Connell, Dean of Admissions here at Becker College, and we're excited to welcome you to our fall open house event on campus very soon. I want to share a few action items with you to help keep you, your family, and our community safe ahead of and during your on-campus visit. Please reference the Massachusetts travel website at www.mass.gov/traveler for the latest Commonwealth expectations regarding travel into the state of Massachusetts. High-risk and low-risk states are listed with varying advisories for both. In particular, if you are traveling to our fall open house event from a high-risk state, you need to comply with the guidance outlined on the website, including submitting a Massachusetts travel form and either quarantine for 14 days or produce a negative COVID-19 test result that has been administered up to 72 hours prior to your arrival in Massachusetts. Regardless of where you are traveling from, once you are on campus for our event, all visitors will be expected to wear a facial covering and to maintain an appropriate social distance of 6 feet social distancing or greater. You will arrive during your designated time, which is according to the specific time frame that you registered online for, to 66 William Street in Worcester. That's the Office of Admissions, and you should look for the blue door. You and your party will stay in your vehicle, and you will be checked in from the comfort of your car. You will first participate in a driving tour of our Worcester campus, and then you will have the opportunity to visit with different campus offices and departments at outdoor socially distanced stations. You need to make sure to continue to comply with that social distancing space, to wear your facial coverings, and then you'll be able to move freely from station to station outside at your leisure, but please, one family at a time per table. You will be able to tour both our Worcester and Leicester campus via a self-guided tour, as well as by viewing our enhanced virtual tour opportunity, which is available online at becker.edu/campus visits. Thank you in advance for your cooperation and understanding. We look forward to seeing you on campus. Go Hawks.